In this video, we will see grammatical homonyms and more precisely ma, ma. So grammatical homonyms will be words that are pronounced the same way but written differently. Ma, 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 ma. So as you can see, you pronounce them the same way, but let's have a look at the examples. C'est ma voiture là-bas. C'est ma voiture là-bas. Il m'a dit de partir. Il m'a dit de partir. So in that situation, this is the possessive, ma. And in that situation, as you can see, this is the verb dire here in the passé composé form, a dit. But because the me here must be removed, the e is removed, and you put the apostrophe, you get ma phonetically. It's exactly the same sound, ma and ma. So remember to pronounce them the same way, but to write them differently.